In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at 3 options to level out your audio for your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So with your clips opened in Adobe Premiere Pro, the first option you have is the manual option. And the manual option is you manually adjusting or leveling out your audio. So you can hold down your Control or Command key and then hover on this line here and then place keyframes like this. And when you've placed keyframes, you can move this bar. And as you can see, my audio moves along with it. And you can do so for all your audio or all your clips that need to be edited. But it's a lot of manual work. There is user error involved and it just takes time. There are 2 other options. The second option is selecting all your clips you want to level out, and then right-clicking them and going to Audio Gain. In Audio Gain, you're going to choose to normalize all peaks and choose a value between -2 and -6 decibel. So for this one, I'm going to say -2. And then when you click OK, all the peaks have been leveled out to the value you chose. Little less manual involvement. And the third option is selecting all your clips. Going to the Essential Sound window, whichever is visible, you can go to Window and then choose Essential Sound here. Now with all the clips selected in Essential Sound, we have this loudness option. But first also make sure that your clips have the right audio type. In this case, it's dialogue, but if you're editing music, make sure that the dialogue type is correct. And then in this Essential Sound window, we're going to open Loudness, and in Loudness, we're going to choose Auto Match. And like this, Adobe Premiere Pro auto matches these clips for you, so your audio levels have been leveled out, and it's a lot less manual involvement. It does all the work for you. So those are 3 options you have to level out your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.